Our Ravens, they're doing all right. I think they're 2-1.
There you go.
Watch your hand.
Who's number 2? We're cheering for him now. Keep going, keep going. He's a kid's age.
He's in 8th grade playing football right now?
Yeah.
There you go.
Pass!
If you had cash or not, you wouldn't have it soon. There you go, grab him. Nice! Nice. Did he drop it? He probably was surprised. Just took it. Oh, I got it! Oh my goodness. There you go.
Go.
Can you tap this down here? Thanks.
Thank you for reminding me.
Well, get him. Yeah.
That's my son.
She was a big Samoan girl. Her son was big.
Yes.
That's your son.
Is that your son? That's a grown man. He's got things to do.
Block. Yes.
Recreational for them too, but they have a different staff. There you go. Keep going. There. Nice.
Get up there.
Nice. He plays wherever he wants.
Get him.
There. Nice. Yeah. There you go, Aaron. Oh. Nice.
Pass!
Oh. Interception. Yes.
Nice.
Oh, there you go. Block.
Oh, good block.
There you go. Get him. Yes. Get him.
Oh, Aaron.
Get him. There you go. Yes.
Yeah.
Go.
Good, number 8.
Go get him. Oh.
Yeah.
Go get him. Stop him. Get him, go get him, go get him.
Yeah!
There we go, block for him.
There you go.
Yes.
Come on, Jeffrey.
Break it.
Yeah, yeah. Nice. Nice run, Jeffrey.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Block. Yes.
Go, go.
Go, break it, break it, break it.
Oh yeah!
First down. Yes. Block for him.
Block him, Lucas.
Did we get it?
Here we go. Block.
Watch the pass now.
Oh, get him, get him. Yes. Oh, go get him, go get him.
Stop him again. Nice. Nice job.
There we go.
Shake it off.
Yes. Yes. There we go.
Nice. Nice, Jeffrey. Go hard, he said.
There's Paul. No. There we go. Yes.
Yeah.
And see, Centennial runs the ball all the time, so if you run, the clock just keeps running.